like to make my own sauce. And here's another thing about the chiles. You know, David, when I first started working with him, he thought these were for decorations. And he keeps buying me these things, and I keep making sauce out of them, you know? And he says, where are all my decorations? Where do you keep putting where are all my decorations at? You've seen this, Misty. You've seen this. He likes to take these and put them all over. Sorry. And they look so cute, but I thought they were for cooking. So he comes to me one day and he goes, Addie, where are all my chili peppers? I go, are you kidding me? I got a freezer full of enchilada sauce, man. No, for the table decorations. I'm all, David, I cook with those. So today when he left, he bought me a huge box and he goes, here, don't be cooking my decorations. Leave my decorations alone. Cook with the ones I gave you.